Come and make this cute resin sticker pendant with me. These are the items you will need: a silicone mould, UV resin, UV torch, PV stickers, toothpicks, a mask, and some gloves for safety measures. Begin by pouring a thin layer of UV resin. Make sure to cover the whole surface. If you don't have PV stickers, you can cover your paper sticker with sellotape. Now cover your sticker with more resin. Put the sticker into place with your toothpick. Now cure your first layer for 3 minutes. If you're using epoxy resin, you will usually have to wait for 24 hours. Now to start placing your decorations, I'm using some stars. Use a toothpick again to help arrange the pieces. Now to cover the stars with the final layer of UV resin. Now cure that again for 3 minutes. If you're using epoxy, 24 hours. Now for the exciting part, time to push your piece out of the mould. You can sand down any rough edges. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Until next time, bye!